Good morning, students of 10th standard. We are again back with the lesson of geography, and we were dealing with climate. And as we are dealing with climate, we have concentrated on the climate in Brazil, and now we will be concentrating on the climate in India. Okay, so let us go with the climate in India. Okay, there is a graph which we have to go through, that is 4.5 graph is the average annual temperature and precipitation graph. Okay, we have Delhi, we have Mumbai, we have Kolkata, and we have Chennai. Okay, what difference do you find in the rainy seasons of Chennai and other cities of India? Why? What similarity do you see in the temperature curves of Delhi and Kolkata? Calculate the average range of minimum and maximum temperatures of all the four cities. In which city is the range minimum? What can you infer from this? Can you understand from this? In which city is the range maximum? What can you infer from this about in climate? Based on the temperature and rainfall of Mumbai, okay, comment upon its climate. Okay, you see the what you call temperature and rainfall, and then comment. In which month does India experience the highest rainfall? In India, highest rainfall, where it comes? This is a part of India. No? Classify the cities as cities with equable and extreme climate, which is equable climate and which is extreme climates. Based on this one, no. India. India's climate is monsoon type. The sunrise are perpendicular up to the Tropic of Cancer, which passes to the middle of the country. As a result, average temperatures are higher throughout the year. Also, temperatures increase towards the south. In winter, the temperature dropped to 40 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir and parts of mountainous regions of Himalayas. The diversity in climate conditions of India are due to the latitudinal location and altitude of the place. The Indian Ocean and the Himalaya ranges exert a great influence on the climate of India and the origin of monsoons. Very cold winds blowing from the north are obstructed by the Himalayas. Similarly, the southwest monsoons retreat from the Shivalik and Himachal ranges of the Himalayas. Because of high temperatures in summers, low pressure areas develops in Punjab plains and the Thar desert of Rajasthan. Thus, this attracts winds coming from the high pressure region in the Indian Ocean, which start blowing towards the mainland of India. These moisture laden winds bring rainfall. Because of the obstruction caused by the eastern and western Ghats, it rains more in the coastal areas. The rainfall reduces in the leeward side of the hill. These winds blow parallel to the Aravallis. As a result, rainfall is low in parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Later, these winds move towards the Himalayas. Their moisture carrying capacity increases. Orographic type of rainfall occurs because of the natural obstruction of the Himalayas. These winds return from the Himalayan ranges and their retreating journey starts. While blowing from the northeast towards the Indian Oceans, these winds bring rainfall again to some parts of the peninsula. This is the retreating monsoon season in India. In general, the climate of India is hot throughout the year. As the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, India is considered to be in the tropical region. India faces natural disasters like erratic rainfall, droughts, cyclones, floods, etc. frequently. There are four seasons as per the Indian Meteorological Department: the hot weather season, the season of rainfall monsoon, the season of returning monsoon, and the cold weather season. You can see 4.6a traffic jam due to rainfall Brazil down, 4.6b traffic jam due to rainfall India. Okay, Brazil and India. And you can see over here 4.7 dry land in drought affected region India. You can see. Then you can see 4.8 snowfall in India, 4.9 rainfall in Brazil, and 4.9 deforestation in Brazil, 4.11 well, a source of water, India. 4.12 drought quadrilateral region, Brazil. And 4.13 paddy farming, India. With that, we finish the lesson on climate, and you have to complete these question answers which are given. Please complete the question answers. Then we go to the next lesson, that is natural vegetation and wildlife, in the next lesson. Thank you.